Good day mga ka-Gracie and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be featuring about my Sansevieria cylindrica. So this is my Sansevieria cylindrica and it has been here with me for more or less than 5 years. Its scientific name is called Sansevieria zeylanica and its common names are called cylindrical snake plant or Sansevieria cylindrica, and it is also called African spear, and another name is spear Sansevieria, and it is also called spear orchid, and it is also called skyline spear Sansevieria, and in Brazil it is called Saint Barbara sword. So it is a succulent plant that is native to Angola. Ang Sansevieria cylindrica ay may smooth, striped, green-gray leaves at ito ay tumutubo like a fan shape at umaabot hanggang 7 feet tall or 2.1 meter ang height and 1.2 inches or 3 centimeter in diameter. So if it is grown in bright light, it can produce an up to 3 feet or 90 centimeters spike-like flowers. And my own Sansevieria cylindrica has now the length of 90 centimeters or 35 and a half inches long, and it has the diameter of 10 centimeters or 4 inches in diameter. So how are we going to take care of our Sansevieria cylindrica? So the Sansevieria cylindrica can tolerate low light, but it needs bright light because it brings out the colors in the leaves. And too much light or intense light may cause the edges of the leaves to turn yellow. When it comes to watering our Sansevieria, you don't need to water it every day. So just allow the soil to dry completely before watering, and then water them deeply until the water drips through the drainage hole. So dapat ma-drain talaga ang water. So, kailangan hindi magsagi ang soil natin and never let the pot stand in water because like most succulent plants, Sansevieria store water in their leaves. So, ayaw niya talaga ng madabing water sa kanyang soil. And now, how are we going to propagate our Sansevieria cylindrica? So, it's very easy. You can cut the leaves of your Sansevieria cylindrica and then you can put it into the soil just like this one. So may pinutol ako na isang leaves ng aking Sansevieria at then nilagay ko dyan sa isang pot kasama ng mga aloe veras ko. And now you can see na meron na siyang mga roots. So pwede nyong gawing ganyan ang pagtanim. And one way is to wait for the mother plant to have its seedlings. And in this pot, you can see there are 2 seedlings. Actually, pang 7 na seedlings ito. Noong first time na nagkaroon ng seedlings ang aking mother plant, nagkaroon siya ng 3 seedlings. And then the next time, nagkaroon ng 2 seedlings. And then the third time, 2 seedlings. So, 3 times siya nagkaroon ng seedlings. So, I hope nakatulong ang video na ito sa inyo for giving information and for how to take care of your Sansevieria cylindrica and how to propagate them. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.